Okay, once again, this is Mr. Pinada from BizGrowth PH. So, in this video, I will show to you a Zapier workflow wherein you will be able to follow up with your leads automatically. So, in this scenario, you will need to have your own CRM, or if you're using Google Sheets, that's okay as well. And how do you get those leads is through your web form, or maybe a pre-Google form wherein you will be able to capture those leads. You should get their name, email, or maybe mobile number, just the three of it. And that's all the data you need for you to be able to follow up with your leads. Okay, so the first part of this workflow is a scheduler. This part of Zapier is it will schedule this follow-up daily. As you can see here, it says here every day. So if you want to follow up with your prospects, or with your leads that are interested in the products or services that you are offering in your business, this will uh, uh, this will automatically send every day for you to be able to nurture your leads, educate your prospects, show them some proofs, testimonials, and how your product or services can solve their problem. So daily. And on the second part of this workflow is a Google Sheet. So this is where your leads are stored. Okay, these are the data. So I will not show the Google Leads or Google Sheets, I mean, because it contains the name, email, and mobile number. And it's YouTube doesn't want us to show any names or mobile numbers because it will not be uploaded on the YouTube. All right. So next to this loop, or I mean to the workflow, is the looping by Zapier. So what does this do is it itemizes and check all the data on that particular Google Sheets, and it will look for the emails and the names. So that's how this workflow will work. And after that, I put an AI by Zapier. This will allow me to write content, or follow up emails, or sales, or everything that you want to write. No, not by on your own, because we're using AI. You don't have to think about it on of what you have to tell to your prospects. By using AI, this AI tool by Zapier, it will generate the content or the follow-up emails, or content that you want to say to your leads. Of course, you have to put the information that this AI software will need to have to be able to create the right content or follow-up emails. So it has to have as we see the configure here. Okay, so it uses the OpenAI. Okay, and this I have the prompt. Okay, so in the setup, okay, premium, and for the test, so it will like this. No? It will automatically write content, or email content to follow up your leads. Okay, so to set up this AI, you have to provide all the necessary information needed by this AI tool to generate the content. Okay, and then finally, this will be sent um, to your uh, your leads. All right. So by using this, the final part of this workflow is it will send the generated content, and it will itemize each and every emails on those spreadsheet, or if you have a CRM like Asana or any CRM software, it will itemize and take those emails and names, and it will send those leads one by one, okay, using this Zapier automation tool. Okay, so this is very helpful if you have a business and you want to follow up with your customers or to your prospects, okay, and you want to nurture them and teach them or give them details information, so they will be able to um, uh, get to the point of hiring you or buying your products or services. So this automation tool is very important. Okay, so that's all for now in this video. And if you have a business and you want to have, if you don't have any leads, I help businesses that wants to get leads using Facebook ads. And if you have now your Facebook leads through your messenger or through your CRM software, the next thing you want to do is to be able to follow up with them, to close them, okay, through your we use AI chatbot and we use booking agents to help you close those clients and get more sales in your business. Okay, so if you want business automation processes, we help businesses as well with that. So that's all for now, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.